Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2019 Mazda CX5 Sport Nav Plus. This car comes with the 2-litre petrol engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 163 brake horsepower and returning up to 36 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 16 and this is a 2-owner vehicle, having covered just over 54,000 miles and comes with full service history. This colour is called the deep metallic crystal blue and looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look aside, first thing that stands out to you is the stone leather, and as you can see, the seats are in great condition. The driver's seat's also electric and both front seats are heated. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple CarPlay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth for your phone. A few other features I can mention: the car also has the heated steering wheel to match the heated front seats, as well as climate control, automatic headlights and wipers, and then on the driver's door card you have your electric folding mirror and 4 window controls, and further down you've also got your Bose Sound System as well. One particular feature that I do like on this car is you've also got the glass sunroof there as well for the summer months. The CX5's a popular car for families. So nice wide rear door opening, lots of legroom and headroom. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers also have their own air vents there in the centre as well. Opening the tailgate, which again is electric, reveals a good sized boot there, goes back a long way, with the rear seats that can be folded flat, as well as the parcel shelf that's still in place. And underneath the boot floor, you've also got your space saver wheel with a subwoofer, the Bose Sound subwoofer there in the centre. Externally, the car comes with LED headlights, front and rear parking sensors, the 19-inch gunmetal alloy wheels, and then also 360-degree parking cameras. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or if you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.